We're in Harpenden at the forgotten end of the garden project, which is now finished. We've got the deck in, which is looking great. We've got our green screen with the Star Jasmine, which is going to populate that. That gets a lot of sun, so that fragrance is going to waft over. We've finished all our cobbling around the central beds. And we've got bees going mad on this. We've got these little hanging cocoons for the girls. This bed is now being nicely cobbled. All the plants have been doing really well with the watering and all the rain we've been having. Binding gravel's in, I should say. Forgot about that. And we also got a nice Adirondack chairs with a little fire pit stroke barbecue unit, so they can have a little fire and throw on a few bangers for their evening. So yes, great project. It's been absolutely fun doing, and I'm really pleased with how it's come out. Thank you.